How to add video background in Google site. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to add a video background to a Google site, here's what you need to do. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply searching for Google sites, and make sure you're logged into account and just open up any draft sample. As you can see, I've opened my draft sample over here. So to include a video inside your Google sites, you can see there is no direct option to actually insert a video, but there are two different ways. So first one is you can actually insert a video inside your drive, inside your Google Drive, which is connected to the same account as in the Google site. And as you can see in my Google Drive, there's one video, so I can basically tap on that and simply insert it, and user can actually just click on this link of that particular video and it will be opened as a video in the new tab, just like this, so that you can easily see that video which you uploaded. So another way what you can do instead of this, if you want a direct video, is you can actually convert your video to .gif file using any video to GIF file converter. Or you can also, in this example, I will just simply show you by uploading a GIF file over here. So once you convert your video to MP4 files to GIF file, you can basically download it from any of the sources like websites. And once you do that, you can simply tap on this image option over here and just select upload, and you can just choose the downloaded GIF files and simply open it just like this, and your video files will be successfully being played as you like on your background. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.